Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Have you ever wondered how to make brown sugar? Come on in, we're making it ourselves. We have, it's so easy. Like sometimes you need brown sugar and you don't have it, but you do have to have some molasses. I've got grandma's, just regular molasses, original. It's not dark or anything, but if you want dark brown sugar, use the dark molasses or use extra of that. I'm using 1 cup of just white granulated sugar. Just like that. And then, depends on how strong you want it. It's to your desire, whatever you want. I'm just putting in 1 tablespoon of molasses. Look at that. Yum. Get that in there. I never even really thought about how they made brown sugar. It never crossed my mind. But now it has. And, you know, Billy's like, oh, well, we got to do that. He had no idea either. So I guess it's just one of those things you don't think about. You just get. So we're just stirring it up.
You just think it comes that way.
Yeah, I did. I never even thought anything about it.
I never either.
Now I do. And look, guys, you're just going to smash that molasses into that. You can use a little whisk, or, you know, you can use your mixer if you want, depending on how much you make. I'm just making a cup here. And now, Billy said we need to find a recipe to use that in.
Yes.
So, now, some kind of cookie, maybe. We'll see. I'll look some up.
And she should also make some molasses cookies.
Never had them.
Just saying.
Just saying.
I never either, but it sounds good.
But he wants some. I used molasses in a pecan pie, he reminded me. And he didn't like that as well, so I don't know.
It was okay. It wasn't
the best.
It wasn't what you think it's going to taste like. Because when you eat a pecan pie, it tastes a certain way. That was a little different, but it was still good.
Yeah, it was 8.
Oh yeah, I ate it all.
It was not wasted. It was just a different taste.
Yeah.
So.
It probably wouldn't have been something I would have preferred. But I did eat it.
So we'll see
because it was pecan pie.
How he wants cookies and see how that would go then, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But there, guys, look. Looks like brown sugar to me.
There you go.
Yep.
Now, does it stay moist or does it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, brown sugar is kind of moist anyway, right? So
it sticks together. That's the way you pack it. Yep. Look at that. And, you know, sometimes you get them little brown spots in them. Then that's the molasses where it didn't get stirred up. But there we go.
Imagine that.
It smells like brown sugar. Smells like molasses too. Like I said, if you want dark brown sugar, you get you some dark molasses or put some extra of this in it.
Goes to show you're just never too old to learn.
And I know most of you probably already knew that. It just never crossed my mind to even think about. Like,
me either.
Buy some brown sugar. So that's
And here you could have just made it and had it.
See? Wouldn't even have to go to Sam's Club and buy it.
Yeah. That.
All right, guys. I hope you join us on our live tomorrow at 12:30. We're making apple crisp. I'm getting ready to put the ingredients on the community page. So if you want to gather your ingredients and bake with me, that would be awesome. So look for that and join us tomorrow at 12:30. Monday at 12:30. Okay? That is the 30th, September 30th. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show, making brown sugar. Peace out.